Hello, this is Vinay from 2VSO. In this video, I'll be telling you about how to install your WAT software. WAT is WhatsApp Automation Tool. Once you give me your email ID, I'll send you this link. You have to click the link. Once you click the link, download this folder. Once you download this folder, you'll get a zip file. Extract all. Once you extract all, you will find this folder. You need to copy this folder and paste it in C drive. In C drive, create a folder using Tuoso's WAT. Open the folder and just paste it. That's it. Once you paste this, open this WAT folder and scroll down. After scrolling down, you'll find this application, Tuoso WhatsApp Marketing Software. Double click this, run this, install this software, and you are good to go. Once you install the software, you'll find it like this. Now you have to add your email ID and the software would open like this. Once the software opens, first of all, make sure go to settings, put 8 here. It means with every WhatsApp there'll be a delay of 8 seconds so that your WhatsApp doesn't get banned. Make sure you click this, and close. This will be default. So after you make a habit of checking this again and again, 8 and click both the boxes. Now if you want to add your account, WhatsApp account, go to manage account. I'll just delete this. Add whatever the WhatsApp account you are adding here. Type a name so that you can recognize it later once you open it. And then you need to scan the QR code. In WhatsApp, you need to link the device, scan the QR code only once. Once you are done with this, you did not do it again and again. This is added successfully. Then you can close this. So one WhatsApp number has been added to your software. Now import contact. Make sure you have a ready-made uh, Excel sheet. You need to import contacts. First of all, download the sample file. Once you download the sample file, here is a sample file to show you. Now name has to be in column A, mobile, and if you want to add some more uh, you know things so that you want to send it to your customer, like your outstanding balance is this, your the expiry date is this, you can add here in all the columns. I'll tell you how to send those: name, mobile number, and this column. Close this, open your WhatsApp. If you click get WhatsApp contacts, all the WhatsApp contacts, all the numbers will be added here. So here right now we are sending it via uh, we are sending it via uh, Excel sheet. Click the file, click the sample. Here your data would be seen. Make sure you insert the country code. Once you insert the country code, your number would be seen like this, and then import. All the numbers, thousands of numbers would be added here with the name, whatever the details you give. Then next, you can add your video, you can add your photo, you can write hello, hello, full name. Then if you want to use your column 1, you can use column 1. If you want to use column 2, the column which you have added in Excel sheet, you can just use it. Here you can use it and click on turbo fast mode. Once you click turbo fast mode, make sure again that this is 8 seconds and send message. Here you just need to click your WhatsApp. You'll have number of WhatsApp added. From the WhatsApp which you want to send, just click and send it, and it will be sent automatically. If you have any doubts, please do contact me. You have my contact details, and this will be successfully sent. Once it is sent, you'll get the report.